Hi everyone, Essex Dave here. I just went down to Kowloon City and I've been into my local Thai grocery shop. It's just like a family run grocery shop, and I saw these two interesting products. This one is obviously Lay's potato chips or crisps, but I've got absolutely no idea what the flavour is. And this one, which is a can of Schweppes, it does have a lime on the front, so maybe it's some lime flavoured soda. There is some kind of condiments, so whatever those flavours are, maybe some garlic or shrimp or something. Is it spicy? I've got no idea, but these are obviously targeted at the local Thai population, who's quite a large population of them in Kowloon City. So let's try them. They do smell a bit fishy. Maybe prawn flavour. Actually, it's got more of a kind of herb flavour. You can see some little specks on there, or maybe you can't, but they are very crunchy and very flavoursome, and I'd have absolutely no problem with finishing the whole packet. So if you see them in your local Asian supermarket, check these out. They are very, very Moorish. Now, the drink, maybe a lime flavoured soda. Smell. Yep, I can smell some lime. Yep, a little bit bitter. Nothing like 7-Up or Sprite. Very refreshing. You can feel a little bit of bite on the tongue. Again, this is definitely a thumbs up product. If you see it, try it. And they definitely both go very well together. So a few more. If you've enjoyed this short review, still eating, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment below. Any questions, any comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.